Hello everyone, welcome to the BlackHat path. In the last video, we learned variables and data types in Python. Now in this video, we will learn operators, which will help us to perform operations on data. In this video, we will mainly focus on three types of operations: arithmetic operation, string operation, and list operation. These are the most commonly used operations in Python. In this video, you will learn how to perform calculations using operators, how to combine and repeat strings, how to work with lists using operators, and all of this will be done with simple practical examples. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values, for example addition, subtraction, multiplication. All of these are operators. To understand these operators practically, let's create a Python file first. Type nano operator.py. Now let's start with the basic operations. Type a is equals to 10 and b is equals to 5. Then write print a plus b, a minus b, a multiplied by b, and a divided by b. Save and execute the file. Now we will add modulus operator. Open operator.py again using the same command. In type print 11 modulus 3. This gives the remainder of division as output. Save and execute the file. And here you can see the output. Now let's see power operator. Open the file again and type print 2 and 2 multiplication signs 3. This means 2 raised to the power 3. Save and execute the file. Now let's perform operations on strings. For this, create a file using command nano string operators.py. Type first is equals to hello and second is equals to world. Print first plus we will give a little space here, then plus second. This joins two strings. To check the output, save and execute the file. Now let's see repetition of strings. Open the file again. Then type print hello into 3. Save and execute the file. Then comes list operations. List can also be combined. For this, let's create a new file. We will write nano list operator.py. Now type list1 is equals to square brackets 1 2 3 Then list 2 is equals to square brackets 4 5 shapes. Then type print list 1 plus list 2. Save and execute the file. Open the file again and type print list 1 into 2 and execute the file. This will repeat the list twice. Operators are used everywhere in the programming. Whenever you need to calculate or combine data, you will use operators. So in this video, we learned different type of operators in Python and how to use them. Practice these examples because operators are used in almost every program. In the next video, we will learn conditions and decision making in Python, which is very important for building logic. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay sharp, and this is the BlackHat path.